In today's video, I'm going to show you how to discount or put products on sale in Woocommerce. It's pretty straightforward and simple, but can get a little tedious. And I'll also later in the video show you an awesome plugin to make this simple and far easier to manage. So let's dive right in. We're just going to start out from the WordPress dashboard like you would if you just logged in. And to discount or put your first product on sale, you can just go to Products. Pick any product you like. And then if you scroll down where the pricing and everything is here, we put say $10.99, $2 off. Or if we want to schedule it, you can just schedule it here. So as you can see, pretty easy, pretty straightforward, but you'd have to go through product to product. There is another way to put the products on sale or discount them through the product page. So if we go back, then we go to the same item, we'll go to click edit, and you can see sale price. You can do $10.99, hit update, and now as you see it reflects that, but you cannot schedule it from here. So as you can see, it's all pretty tedious and could take a lot of time. So I developed a plugin that will help you manage and put products on sale far quicker and easier. There will be a link in the description for this plugin. You just need to go on my website and get it. And after it's installed, you just need to hover over Woocommerce and see Sales Scheduler. Now you can see that it's in a calendar format, and you can see the product we put on sale has no end date, so we're just going to delete and remove that. Now you can create a manual cell. We'll do filament. We'll do $10.99 and hit save sale. Now, unlike the other one, you actually have to enter an end date. So we can go back in and enter. We want this to be till then, update it. And now you can see it shows all of it. And now you can click back in and say we want to add 3D printers to the sale. We're going to add that one, that one, that one, and that one. And then we're going to close it. You can reduce by a fixed amount or discount percentage or set fixed price. So let's go ahead and do a percentage, 10%, apply. Now all of those are discounted by 12%. Let's go ahead and hit update. And you can see we have all those products on sale, and you have a very easy way to manage it. Now if we go back to products, you'll see all of them are on sale. Now if we go back to the calendar, go here, create manual cell again, and let's do the clothing category. You can see there's a category of clothing, and you can put them all on sale at once. Again, we'll do percentage, because if you're doing a bulk thing, you're probably going to want it. Let's do 15%, apply. We'll set that. And now you have, we didn't set end date. That'd probably be a good idea. There we go, we got all the products. And that's how you put a category on sale. As you see, this makes it 10 times easier and simpler. So when August 1st comes around, all these products will be on sale and all these products will be off sale or discounted, however you want to look at it. As you see, my plugin definitely is not required, but it definitely will make your life a whole lot easier. So if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll catch you next one. Bye.